Welcome back to Memoryogi. Today I'm showing you 5 AI tools that can supercharge your memory and learning in 2025. Let's dive in. First up is Anki, the flashcard app with a built-in AI algorithm. It schedules each card review at the perfect moment, just before you're about to forget, so you retain information longer. Whether it's vocab, formulas, or dates, Anki makes sure you practice exactly what you need. Next is Notion. Think of it as your personal digital memory palace. With its customizable pages, you can link concepts visually, build mind maps, and track your study progress. Organizing your notes in Notion helps your brain form stronger recall pathways. Third, meet MemAI, your intelligent memory assistant. It learns from your habits, auto-tags key info, and surfaces relevant notes when you need them. No searching required. It's like having a built-in brain extension that reminds you of what matters. Fourth is Quizlet. Paste in your study material and their AI instantly creates flashcards and practice tests tailored to your strengths and weaknesses. You get dynamic quizzes that adapt to your learning pace, perfect for exam prep. Finally, there's Brain.fm. Using neuroscience-backed AI, it generates music designed to boost focus and memory retention. Play a session while you study, and you'll notice fewer distractions and deeper concentration. Those are my top 5 AI tools for memory in 2025. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one helped you the most. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Memoryogi tips. See you next time.